Howdy and welcome to the Mighty Mo Chuck channel. I be Chuck. As I was talking about in my other video, I couldn't get my camera to work, and now I've got it working. uh, no rhyme or reason. One difference is the battery might have, even though the camera was functional at the battery level, it was charging really. It was charging, and I don't know whether that interfered from it working or not. I mean, it's like I said in the other video, the camera's been problematic. But anyway, I've got the camera back working. So yeah. Now I think all of us knew that 2020 was going to really be a funky, weird, god awful year based on the number, based on historical cycles, based on intuition, based on a lot of factors. We pretty much knew 2020 was going to be a year from hell. We knew that. I knew that. And then I didn't know that. You always you've got two voices on your shoulder. You got one that tells you one thing. You got another voice that tells you something else. One of the voices is more wishful thinking than reality. So on the one hand, yeah, I knew it was going to be a really bad year, and on the other hand, I was like, my God, I want this to be a good year. I gotta have this to be a good year. I want it to be a good year. I'm just wrong about it being a bad year. I'm wrong about it being a bad year. I'm wrong about it being a bad year. So then I said, okay, well, I need to start making some dang money, and the savings is not earning any freaking interest. So you know what I'm going to do? I've kept up with the stock market and the business channels. I've kept up with it. I've kept up with it. I should know what I'm doing, right? I should know. I should. I should know. And also, I'm intuitive. I'm intuitive. I'm intuitive. But of course, you got the two. You got the angel, and then you got the little demon. The angel roots you on is your grace, and then the little demon is your karma or whatever. So anyway, I opened up a brokerage account where I could trade stock. It took me a while before I could actually get it completed, so I didn't have it completed until I started in January, but it took until about February till I had the account actually where I could actually buy stock. And the first stock I bought was it was based on sentiment. There's reasons that I am very sentimental about General Motors. I don't want to go into it, but yeah. And so General Motors was the first stock that I bought, and that was right before the shit started. Well, can I just talk like I'm supposed to talk, or do I just censor what I'm saying? Damn it! Wait, no. Oh man. Anyway, so I bought General Motors stock. That was the first stock I bought, and that was really before the market really started tanking. So yeah, I bought General Motors stock, and I bought Ford stock. And now Ford I didn't buy quite as bad as I bought General Motors. It was kind of bad, but it wasn't quite as bad as General Motors. So I bought General Motors and Ford. Those were the first two stocks that I bought. General Motors still hasn't come up into the green from the price I paid for it. That position has not gone green since I bought it. Now Ford actually did turn green for a short period and is back underwater again. But for a short period, I could have sold it and made money off of it. So I'm not as bad on the Ford stock as I am on the General Motors stock. But I bought the General Motors stock way too freaking high. So, and then of course I wanted to learn to do. I can't really do true day trading because my DSL is really bad. I mean, bad is just an understatement. So I can't. I've done some day trading, but it's really I can't do day trading in the true sense, and I can't move in and out of stock, in and out of stock, in and out of stock. I can't do that. I can try to buy, on a day where the day traders are hitting stock. I can try to hit when the stock has um, dropped, on a dip. I can try to buy on a dip and then hope it goes up. But that's more risky than if you're buying, like, okay, you see it's turned green and it's going up, and you buy and it's still going up, and then you sell, on a green move. Instead, I generally have to let it go red, dip down, and then hope I hit the bottom just right, and it'll bounce off that bottom and go up. And I've hit some stock right doing that, but I've got holding some stock, and day traders say you never hold stock. The people that preach the day trading rules, you never hold stock. It's just a no. You don't hold stock. See, I'm more of a, because my DSL sucks, I can't be a true day trader, so I consider myself a swing trader, which means I'm going to hold stock. But the day trader's preaching isn't totally wrong, because well, I've already gone over the 5 minute mark, so most thanks for watching and listening. I do appreciate it, and I will continue what I was talking about next video. Most thanks for watching and listening. I do appreciate it. Thank you.